Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming power and connectivity. This matters because updates fail on low battery or spotty Wi-Fi. Put the Airpods Pro 2 in the case, leave the lid open, and keep them within a few inches of your iPhone. Once done, plug the iPhone into power and connect to a stable Wi-Fi network. Make sure Bluetooth is on. These steps start the automatic update process. Do not force close settings or move out of range. You now watch and, if needed, trigger the update process. Open Settings, go to General, then About and select your AirPods entry to see the firmware version. This helps you confirm progress. Leave the case open and keep devices close. Updates typically install automatically when conditions match. If nothing happens, restart your iPhone, close and reopen the case, then repair if necessary. These actions refresh connections and often prompt the firmware transfer. You finish by verifying the firmware version in Settings. Once the number changes, you're done. If the update still hasn't applied, reset the AirPods Pro 2. Put them in the case, hold the Setup button for about 15 seconds until the LED flashes amber then white, and then repair with your device. If problems persist, try a different iPhone or Wi-Fi and contact Apple support only if hardware indicators or
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.